Welcome everyone to another sword tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate a straight sword kata and how to use them in real life. So see the demonstration carefully as usual, and then I will show you the hidden techniques step by step. Now let's learn the hidden techniques. First, think you are attacked by two guys. One is your front and other is in your back. Now when you attacked by them, then their attack will be very heavy. So do not try to block it. Just dodge it. Now it is your chance. Perform your sword finger and your handle of your sword for attack. If you use your sword finger, then attack in the eyes or throat of your enemy, and if you use your sword handle, then try to attack it in nose. Or you can use both of them one time. Another guy from front side, then again dodge his attack and then quickly perform a sword strike on his chest or on his belly. Then quickly swing the sword. If someone comes from behind, then he will go back and then perform a finishing strike. But do not forget the second one. He will try to attack you soon. Then dodge and perform a sword slash on his belly or on his leg. It is totally depends on you. Now at the end, he will try to perform a final attack on you. Just swing your sword and perform a sword strike with force to break his attack and make him vulnerable, and now perform the final attack. So this is it guys. Thanks for watching and take care.